Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. So, in this video, I am going to give away a new concept of trading in volatile markets because people used to fear about the volatile market and range bound market because market will not move in one particular direction. Market will not positive, market will not negative. It will show both directions. In such conditions, there will be a stalemate occurs in the market. Whenever a stale occurs in the market, it is very difficult to trade with bigger stocks like blue chip stocks, even in equity as well as stock futures. In options also, it is very difficult to trade with bigger stocks. So, in this market condition, how to overcome this? I have a peculiar trading formula, a trading logic, which gives a super magic. This is nothing but trading with smaller capital scripts as well as smaller priced scripts. So I used to call this as a low budget trading. So this low budget trading always helps me to find decent profits in volatile market condition. I have a set of stocks which are always give money in volatile markets. These stocks are very much low priced. I just read out these stocks. The one is Bank of Baroda, and second one is Punjab National Bank. I used to call these two stocks together as twin stocks. And third one is Ashok Leyland, and another one is ONGC. And next one is IDFC First Bank, and another one is BHEL. So these are the stocks I prefer to trade whenever market is volatile. As far as the equity trading is concerned, I used to trade with these stocks with a smaller gap, like 40 paise to 80 paise, sometimes 1 rupee 50 paise, which will be my ideal target for one trade. What I do, I'll do multiple trading. Suppose if I take a particular stock like a Bank of Baroda in equity, I will make a smaller profit like 40 paise to 80 paise, but the number of trading is more. I'll trade 10 times, one after another. I'll trade 10 times, 10 trades, so which will give you a collective massive profit. So I'll move on next script like Punjab National Bank. Here also I'll keep my eye on only 30 paise profit, but I do with a number of repeated trades like 10 trades or 20 trades like that and so on. And sometimes if I go for option segment, I prefer only penny level option trading. Penny level option trading is invented by me only, myself only. The penny level option trading is nothing but taking a call or put with at a premium of 10 paise to 90 paise. So like a 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise up to 90 paise. I prefer taking a call or put, depends on the direction of the market as well as the direction of the particular script concerned. So this kind of trading with penny options gives me amazing profit. Suppose I trade with a particular call option of like a Bank of Baroda, say about buying price is 30 paise multiplied by lot size. Suppose the bought 30 paise, the premium goes to 3 rupees, it will be 10 times profit. Even suppose the 30 paise grown into 60 paise is nothing but the doubling the investment. The investment got doubled. Such kind of practice I used to do with the market whenever market shows a volatile phase. So moreover, I used to give trading tips on penny level option trading along with penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making and high spec speculative moving scripts in equity, putting together as a package in my another channel, Bull Street. This trading tips is being given through WhatsApp group. So to join this particular WhatsApp group, there is a subscription 7,999 per month, monthly 7,999. If at all you want to have such a penny level option trading tips and penny stocks in equity, not tradable for long term wealth making, you can subscribe. So coming back to the main subject, whenever market shows volatile movement, whenever market shows a directionless situation, whenever market itself in a stalemate condition, not go with blue chip stocks or large scripts. Instead of going for such a large scripts, it is always better to trade with the fast moving smaller scripts. I mean to say that the equity or underlying price of these stocks should be less than 100 rupees. So I always prefer such kind of stocks. Sometimes I prefer like scripts just above 100 rupees, like BHEL and all, Ashok Leyland and all. So these stocks performs better. So uh, sit passively and listen the market. Whenever you find it, the market shows a volatile movement, exploit the volatile movement by using these smaller scripts. I mean to say that it is a low budget trading. So low budget trading will help you to earn huge money in volatile market situation. So thank you very much. I am Vijay.